Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninja. So in this video we will discuss about JavaScript string. So what is a string in JavaScript? JavaScript string is a sequence of characters typically used to represent text. It is enclosed in single or double quotes and supports various methods for text manipulation. So this is the example. Here let is a keyword and text is a variable. In between that we assign value is Rohan. That Rohan is a string with double quotes. So next is basic terminologies of JavaScript string. First is string, a sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Next is length, the number of characters in a string obtained using the length property. Next is index, the position of character within a string starting from 0, that is index. And next is concatenation, this process of combining two or more string to create a new one. That process is concatenation. And next is substring, a portion of a string obtained by extracting characters between specified indices. So, how to declare a string? First, using single quotes. Single quotes can be used to create a string in JavaScript. Simply enclose your text within single quotes to declare a string. So syntax is, we can add text in single quotes. This is the example how to create string using single quotes. And next is using double quotes. Double quotes can also be used to create a string in JavaScript. Simply enclose your text within double quotes to declare a string. Here is a syntax. We can create a text within double quotes. So this is a string using double quotes. And next is example. So we can take one example of this using single quotes or using double quotes. So open the Sublime text editor. So here we use let keyword and text variable. In this variable we assign value is create string with single quote. So we can change these quotes. This text is in single quotes. So we can check the value of text is by using console.log and text. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Right click, then inspect, then check console, create string with single quotes. So another one is open the Sublime text editor. Another one is we can create a string with double quotes. You can also change this message. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Create string with double quotes. So the next is string constructor. You can create a string using string constructor. The string constructor is less common for direct string creation. It provides additional methods for manipulating strings. Generally, using string literal is preferred for simplicity. So why we use string constructor in JavaScript? The string constructor is a way to create a string object. While most developers commonly create string using the string literals or template literals, the string constructor provides an alternative approach for creating string. So this is an example how to create string constructor. So Open the Sublime text editor. Here we add new keyword and string. In the braces we add string in single quotes. We can create a string using string constructor by using these lines. Create string using string constructor. Then semicolon. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. It returns string in object. So this is a create string using string constructor. So the next is using template literal. You can also say string interpolation. You can create string using template literals. Template literals allow you to embed expression within backtick for dynamic string creation, making it more readable and versatile. So the syntax is in single quotes we add some text, or you can say string, and you can also create another variable. In between that we use string within backtick like this. So this is example how to create string using template literal. So we can take one example of this template literal. Open the Sublime text editor and we can change this code. First we take one variable text. In single quotes we add some string template literal string, and next we can take another variable new text. Here we use string within backtick. String created using and here we add text. And then semicolon. You can check this new text variable by using console.log. Then semicolon. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Here we change these braces once. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. String created using template literal string. We can add this string into backtick. So this is a using template literal. So next is empty string. You can create an empty string by assigning either single or double quotes with no character in between. So this is example how to create empty string by using single or double quotes. So we can take one example of this. Open the Sublime text editor. Here we can't add any text. In double quotes also you can't add any text. Save this code. Check both strings by using console.log. Empty string using single quote. Text semicolon and empty string using double quotes. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Empty string using single quote, empty string using double quotes. You can change this message again. Also here we change this message to double quotes. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. First is using single quote and empty string using, next is empty string using double quotes. So the next is multi-line string. Multi-line string is an ES6 or later. You can create a multi-line string using backticks with template literals. The backticks allows you to span the string across multi-lines, preserving the line break within the string. So this is a syntax and this is the example how to create string using multi-line string. So open the Sublime text editor. We can take one example of this. So first we use let keyword and take one variable text. In between that we use backtick and add some text. This is a multi-line text, or you can say string. Then semicolon and then check console.log this variable text. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. This is a multi-line string. So thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. Thank you.